She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day.
Peach summer dessert recipe in China. An oversized peach, peel with a single hand. Rock sugar, cook until water turns red.
Jelly powder or gelatin.
Cook on low heat until all is melted. Add chopped peach pulp. Pour it into a glass. Let it sit till solidified. Fill it up with coconut milk. Refrigerate for 2 hours. Done and dusted. Out of this world.
Let's make viral chocolate raspberry jam bites. These are such a fun, healthier dessert idea. The combination of raspberries and chocolate is just perfect. Enjoy! If you love cinnamon rolls but don't have time to make the classics, make these super quick and easy cinnamon rolls instead. They don't contain yeast, so they're ready in less than 30 minutes. Enjoy!
Way to eat the grapes. Easy, tasty summertime dessert that you can make for family. Mix the clean grape with lemon juice, coated with sugar, then freeze.